guys, welcome back to Chelsea. Today's video is what I got on the cruise. Okay, so I did a cruise February 9th through the 13th. And this is stuff I got on the cruise or that I bought on the cruise. So it was a Bananaland at Sea cruise. So I will do stuff I got or that I bought. So I bought this little local beach coconut magnet, this pin. I bought a Bananaland at Sea shirt, which is somewhere, I don't know, it might be hanging up in my closet. Then I got from a fan that was left on my door, this Indianapolis Clowns magnet, a Savannah Bananas magnet. I did get bananas earrings. A fan gave me this. It was just left at my door, I think. It was like a little pin. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. The cruise ship gave, a fan gave me this Nilla magnet. Fan gave me this rubber ducky with baseballs. I did get like 3 of those miniature ducks. The cruise gave us a frame, which I did somewhere in my room. This body armor. Look at that beat. It is good. I have like 3 left. I bought a different flavor of this, and they're good. They gave us this drawstring bag. They gave us a beach towel. Hold on. Let's see if I can... Actually, before I show you the beach towel, they gave us this little Bananaland at Sea clear bag. They gave us this very long Bananaland at Sea beach towel. That is everything they gave.